Hello and welcome. Did you know that there are more than 19,000 undersea volcanoes on our planet? That's right. Scientists have made a remarkable discovery using high-resolution radar satellites, uncovering the most comprehensive catalogue of seamounts ever created. This discovery could provide a better understanding of ocean currents, plate tectonics, and even climate change. Previously, only a quarter of the Earth's seafloor had been mapped using sonar technology, which uses sound waves to detect objects hidden underwater. A sonar survey conducted in 2011 had already found more than 24,000 seamounts. However, more than 27,000 seamounts still remain uncharted, according to Science magazine. With the help of radar satellites, scientists were able to measure the height of underwater mounds as small as 3,609 feet, 1,100 meters, tall, which is the lower limit of what constitutes a seamount. This technology has allowed researchers to estimate the heights of small undersea volcanoes to an accuracy of approximately 1,214 feet, 370 meters. By mapping a collection of seamounts in the Northeast Atlantic Ocean, scientists have been able to better understand the evolution of a mantle plume that feeds more than 100 volcanoes in Iceland. These updated maps will also provide a better understanding of ocean currents and upwellings, which occur when water from the bottom of the ocean churns upward to the surface. According to Science magazine, there are a zoo of interesting things that happen when you have topography. As Brian Arbuck, a physical oceanographer at the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor, explained, these new findings could lead to further discoveries and a greater understanding of our planet. In conclusion, the discovery of 19,000 undersea volcanoes using high-resolution radar satellites is a groundbreaking development that could transform our understanding of the Earth's oceans. With the ability to detect underwater mounds as small as 3,609 feet, scientists can now accurately estimate the heights of small undersea volcanoes to an accuracy of approximately 1,214 feet. These updated maps will provide valuable information to researchers about ocean currents, plate tectonics, and climate change. If you found this video informative, please consider giving this video a like, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more exciting scientific discoveries. Thanks for watching.